A capacitor is one of the most common and important components in electronics. Its main job is to store and release electrical energy. You can imagine it like a small rechargeable container for electricity. A capacitor has two metal plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When voltage is applied, electrons build up on one plate, creating an electric field. Later, this stored energy can be released when needed. Capacitors are used in many ways. They smooth out voltage in power supplies, filter signals in audio systems, and even help start electric motors. There.
Relays and switches. A relay is an electrically controlled switch. A small current activates an electromagnet, which then switches a larger circuit on or off. Relays let you control powerful devices with weak signals. Regular switches, buttons, and toggles are also important because they let the user control the circuit directly. 8. Sensors. Modern electronics wouldn't be possible without sensors. They convert physical changes into electrical signals. Examples include temperature sensors, light sensors, motion detectors, pressure sensors, humidity sensors. In your phone, for example, a light sensor adjusts screen brightness, while an accelerometer detects how you're holding the device. 9. Power sources. No circuit works without power. Sources include batteries, rechargeable cells, and AC adapters. They convert electricity into the right form: 5 volts for USB, 12 volts for computers, 3.7 volts for phones, and so on. 10. Connections, wires and circuit boards. Finally, components need to be connected. This is done with wires, breadboards for experiments, and printed circuit boards, PCBs. A PCB is the skeleton of every device. Copper tracks connect the parts, making the whole system work as one. Conclusion. Today, we've looked at the essential electronic components: resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, ICs, inductors, relays, sensors, power sources, and circuit boards. Each component may seem simple on its own, but when combined, they make up the technology we use every day. If you're just starting in electronics, I recommend building simple circuits like an LED flasher.